Hello, 10th graders. I am Miss Gary-Michel, one of your media specialists and one of the personal project coordinators here at Marietta High School. I work alongside Mr. Nielsen, Miss Holman, and the rest of your multicultural literature teachers to help with your 10th grade personal project. So I know you're wondering, what is your 10th grade personal project? So the personal project is the culminating project for the middle years program. You have been in the middle years program since you were in 6th grade, and in the 10th grade you're finally finished. Yay, you finished the middle years program. And that's when all students in 10th grade complete their personal project. Now, this is your opportunity, you guys, to show everyone the skills that you have acquired while you have been taking your MYP classes last 4 years. Now you get to really show us what you've learned. Yeah, I'm sure you're wondering how. Well, it's pretty easy by completing your personal project. Now, let me tell you guys, this is going to be your best final ever. And it's going to be your best final ever because you are given the opportunity to choose whatever you want to do for your personal project. Not your teacher, you. You get to pick whatever you want. Well, almost whatever. In this project, you were given the opportunity to work on anything you ever dreamt of doing, or something that you just thought maybe you wanted to do, but you didn't have the initiative, the motivation, or the opportunity or time to do it. So now for this project, you're going to be able to learn something, make something, or do something. You're going to become part of our Marietta High School personal project legacy. Like many of the 10th graders before you, they have completed this project. Here are a few examples of some of the projects we've seen in the last 10 years. This project is Sophie. Sophie wanted to learn how to hoop dance. She learned how to hoop dance, and then she came to our personal project showcase night and performed a choreographed routine that she created on her hoop. This is Maya. Maya wanted to learn how to apply makeup to different skin tones. She researched, she worked with a mentor, she taught herself how to do those new skills, and then she created a business, a special occasion makeup business. And you can see here at the personal project, her doing the makeup of 2 different students with different skin tones to demonstrate her learning. Arturo, he wanted to learn how to make a PC, a gaming PC. He created a gaming PC and brought it and shared it with us at our personal project showcase night. This is Kevin. Kevin wanted to learn how to create a clothing line. He created this clothing line, he created an Insta page, and it got to sell many of his products. Here's Annalise. Annalise just wanted to learn how to do woodworking. She decided to take her woodworking skills and make a bed for her bedroom. She brought her bed to show us at our personal project showcase night. This is another student who is an artist. She wanted to learn more about creating manga and creating comic characters. So she spent her year learning how to do that. Her final product, she created a new manga and comic characters, and she brought her portfolio to the personal project to show us her accomplishments. Now, we have many examples of other students that did their work during the pandemic. These students put all their work in a Padlet, and that Padlet links are in your Schoology course, and your teacher will share that with you, and you can look there for some more ideas. So now I bet you guys have some questions. Questions like, how do I do this? And what does this include? Well, this is a year-long project, you guys. It starts now, and you're going to finish when we celebrate in March from the personal project, you're going to get to work in your multicultural literature class. That's where you're going to learn what's required for the project. Your advisement teacher is going to help check in, see if you need any help, make sure you're staying on track. And you're also going to be able to work at home. This is where you're going to be doing the majority of your creating and your learning. There are 4 parts to the personal project. There's a process journal, which is a journal where you record your journey of creating your personal project. There, of course, is your project. What are you going to learn, make, or do? There's a report that you will have to turn in, and that's just you writing about your journey throughout this project. It's a reflection report. And then, of course, there's our personal project showcase. That's in March. This is going to be our last big hurrah for the MYP. It's going to be a big celebration. So I'm sure, you guys, that there will be many questions along the way, but please just be patient and you will soon know all of the answers. We are here to support you, the personal project coordinators and your multicultural literature teachers and your advisement teachers. Right now, we only ask that you think long and hard about what you're passionate about. What do you want to learn, make, or do? Passion is what will help you be successful at this project. Speak to any of our 11th graders about what made their project successful, and I'm sure they would all tell you it was something that I loved to do. Now, please know that this project can be something entirely new to you, or it can be something that you've worked on or are working on and want to get better at. Okay? Please remember that. But now, what I need you to do is I need you to think about, what do you want to learn, do, or make for your personal project. Start brainstorming. Start asking around, start doing some research, because we cannot wait to see what the class of 2024's personal project showcase will bring to Marietta High School.